Hey guys, Mike here. It's been a minute. Happy New Year to everyone. So, I wanted to post an update about the channel. I know it's been a while since I posted videos, and I wanted to tell you about where I plan to take the channel in 2025. But before we do that, I just wanted to do a quick recap of 2024, which is the year where I started posting videos on YouTube and on other social media platforms. So, just a bit of background about myself. I know I don't usually talk much about myself because the videos I shoot are not about myself, but more about culture, people, food, festivals, holidays, whatnot. But um, I've been thinking of starting a channel for a while now. It's probably been 3 years or so, and I could never muster up the courage to start a channel or to post anything. And then in 2023, sometime in the summer, so about a year and a half ago, I decided to launch my channel, and right away I got one subscriber, my one super fan, my significant other. She subscribed to the channel, and I had my one subscriber. And the plan was to launch the channel, and then life happened, and I said, "Oh, I'll put that on the back burner." And then time passed, and I was like, "Why am I not posting anything? Why am I not actually launching the channel?" And so finally, last June, so in 2024, early June 2024, I finally shot my very first video. That video has actually not been posted yet. I will probably post it in the next month or so. But I did shoot my first video, and then I shot some other videos during the summer, and then finally, I believe it was late July 2024, so of this past year, I finally posted my first video. And I had been thinking about that video for such a long time, planning it out, thinking about the how to do it perfectly. And of course, it did not turn out to be perfect at all. I think it's, even though it's the video that I posted first, I believe it has some of the lowest views across all the platforms. It's 48 minutes long, and it didn't turn out the way I had imagined it, but at least, the channel was officially launched, and my first video was posted. And since then, I've added more videos, I've gotten more views, I've gotten more subscribers across platforms, followers, and whatnot. Um, and of course, the channel is not where I would like it to be. So on YouTube, I have a whole smashing 14 subscribers, which maybe some of you think is laughable. I'm obviously not satisfied with that. But what I do tell myself is that last year, or in 2023, when I did launch the channel, for the longest time, I had one subscriber. And now, as we just ended 2024 and we're starting 2025, I've got 14 of them on YouTube. And going from 1 to 14 is a whopping 1,300% increase. And so I will take that win. And I'm looking forward to continuing on that upward trajectory. Things I've learned along the way. definitely YouTube takes a lot of work and dedication. So somebody I look up to in the YouTube space and that does videos that I think have a certain amount of crossover with what I do, Peter Santinello. So I remember watching some of his content and him talking about how he got started and how he was saying that a lot of the videos that he was posting, they weren't getting much traction at first, and one thing that he realized is that he wasn't consistent. He would post from time to time, but when he did start to post consistently, that's when the channel really grew. And even though I've listened to that, life happens. I'm still in school, have a job, have the family, and it's being consistent is not as easy as I thought. And so that's definitely something that I will need to work on. The other thing is editing. So I'm a one person show here, and I have to do my own editing. And I think that's something that I didn't realize, the amount of time that it would take me to edit. So obviously, time goes into planning and shooting the video, but then the editing probably ends up actually taking more time than the planning and the shooting of the video. And so I definitely need to put systems in place to make sure that I set aside time for the editing, again, to make sure that I do stay consistent. And so, this video is as much for you guys, if you're interested to learn a bit about my story and where I'm taking this channel, but also this is as much for me to sort of um, record where I'm at after this first year, or roughly first 5 actual months of being on YouTube, of having my channel on the other social platforms. And yeah, I just want to document this for myself so I can keep track of the progress. And then if any of you get something useful out of this video, I'm glad as well. And so here, if we just do a recap of kind of where I'm at in terms of subscribers, followers, and views. We'll just switch over to my computer screen just to kind of see where I'm at. So here I'll just quickly take you guys through some of the stats on my channels. So we are today January 3rd, 2025, and on YouTube I have 14 subscribers and 20 videos posted. And if we go to see my most popular video, it's actually so I think that's interesting. It's my latest, and it's the long form video, the one where I visit the borough of Verdun here in Montreal, and it's got 155 views. So that is my most watched video that is not a short. If we go to my shorts, the most popular video is my video where I'm at Marchigiani, which is the Italian deli, and I'm having their awesome porchetta sandwich. So at 592 views for a short. So that's on YouTube. If we look at my TikTok account, so here, so 18 followers, 122 likes. And if I look at my most popular video, Not sure why it's giving this one. I guess maybe it had the most likes. Um, yeah, I had a video, I believe. Yeah, so I have the Verdun video that's at close to 2,000 views here. This one is for some reason being shown as the most popular, which is actually my intro video, intro to my channel. If we look at Instagram, 51 followers here. And in terms of likes, the most likes I've gotten are on my post here, where I went to check out some Japanese as well as Western weapon martial arts. I will post this video in the future when I went to Concordia University here in Montreal. If we check out Facebook, I've got 85 followers. And if we look at the reels here that I've posted, my most popular one, or my most viewed one, is I believe this one, where I spoke to the Ju-Kendo club at the Yatai Japanese Festival. I believe that is the most viewed video. And then on X, I've only started posting relatively recently, just only joined in October of last year. Only got 7 followers. Don't have all the content up on here. But yeah, that's just a quick recap of my current presence across all social media platforms. So now, for those of you who have still stuck around the video, as promised, let's look ahead to 2025. Again, for those of you who celebrate Hanukkah, Christmas, New Year, Diwali, Kwanzaa, other holidays that maybe I forgot to mention, or that I'm not aware of. If you do celebrate something else, or if you want to tell me about the celebrations that you've had, please comment below. Happy to learn about that. But just again, wishing everyone happy holidays. Hope everyone had the chance to spend some quality time with their loved ones. But as we're looking ahead to 2025, my goal is to really grow the channel, to bring more videos, higher quality videos, more interesting videos to you guys, educate myself more, learn more about different cultures, different places, different people. And so, as I said, I'm looking to be more consistent with my videos. And so, if you're still around watching this video, this is my promise to you. In 2025, I will be posting one long form video every 2 weeks. So that means there's going to be a total of 26 long form videos on YouTube for the year 2025. So probably a lot of you noticed that I post long form videos and then I tend to cut them up into shorter forms. I know some of you have less time to watch long form videos, or just prefer that style of watching. That's great as well. And I also use that shorter form content on other social media platforms. But the long form videos, that's my promise to you. One video every 2 weeks. I think it's feasible, even though I have a lot of other things going on. I will make sure that I stay on schedule, and that way the channel will grow and provide more value to you guys. So if you guys have any suggestions or things that you want to see on the channel, please comment below. Happy to read and see what you guys have to propose. As I said, editing has been a bit of an issue for me that has slowed me down a little bit, and so I currently have probably content for about 8 long form videos that I have on my external hard drive that I plan to post over the next few months. So some of those videos are already in the plans. I already have some plans to shoot other videos as well, and then your suggestions are always welcome. Obviously, I live in Montreal. Channel is called Montreal Mike, and right now the content is really focused on Montreal and around Montreal. Some of the content that I've shot that I plan to release in the coming months is actually outside of Montreal. I don't travel frequently, but I do travel outside of Montreal and outside of Canada a few times a year. And so I do try to shoot videos out there when I get the opportunity, learn about cultures, cities, people outside of Montreal and Canada, and hopefully you guys enjoy that content as well. So have a balance between Montreal content and then outside of Montreal, outside of Canada content. So that's my promise to you. I will stay consistent, deliver a video every 2 weeks. Thank you so much for all the support that I'm getting. I appreciate all the support, whether it's the subscribers on YouTube, followers on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X, formerly known as Twitter. Thank you so much for supporting this small channel. With your help, let's grow this channel into a medium-sized channel in 2025. I wish all of you guys a happy, healthy, productive 2025. Hope you get the opportunity to put in the work towards whatever endeavors you guys have. That's the plan for myself. Thanks again for all the support, and see you guys in the next Montreal Mike video next week. Thanks again. Happy 2025. Ciao.